Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mark. I'm glad to have you here. I'm really excited. I just got two of these wallets in today. Both are Rossm wallets. As you know, I have a lot of Ridge wallets, Code 18, but never bought any Rossms. This one being the Forged Emerald. Now, the reason I bought this is I wanted to get the Ridge model, which is called the Forged Aurora, but I couldn't find any, anywhere. And as you know, the Ridge wallets are usually pretty really expensive, about $150 for their forged carbon series, although you can often get them for less than $100. But nevertheless, I purchased this for just $35. The retail on it is $45, and it's currently out of stock by Rossm. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. Now, I've taken the plastic off of it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, guys, this looks just like a Ridge wallet. Really premium looking cardboard, black, just like the Ridge. And the back of it looks just like the Ridge again. I have to laugh when it says designed by Rossm in California. You know, guys, I'm going to be honest with you, regardless of how this thing looks, this is a direct knockoff of the Ridge wallet. Well, I got to tell you, getting the top off it was just as hard as getting the Ridge off. One thing I will say about this has an absolutely gorgeous instruction guide. It's all in color. It explains exactly how to use the wallet and how to exchange the money strap for the money clip. And guys, I hate the money clip, so I can tell you the first thing I did with the Forged Emerald or the Forged Ruby one I had was replace the clip for the strap. I don't like the strap because of the fact that it's got that loose piece of metal that sticks out and can potentially damage anything it comes in contact with in your pockets. Now, I've taken this out. It comes wrapped up in this plastic, and you see they've got the there's a replacement strap on the inside. There are also screws underneath it. There are 12 of them in there. And then you've got the cash strap as well on the side, and a Rossm branded screwdriver, which is basically exactly the same as the Ridge. Now, Rossm is a California-based EDC company. They make Ridge knockoff wallets and key cases. In my opinion, they make a very good quality product at about a third the price of comparable Ridge products. As I mentioned, this particular wallet does retail for $45. I picked it up for about $30. That is a good third of what you would get a comparable Ridge product for. Now, I did take, and there's another video where you've seen, I took my my Rossm Forged Ruby, that's their word for the Forged Ember that Ridge makes, apart, and it is genuine carbon fiber attached to an aluminum backing, and of course it's got its two aluminum inner wafers that provide the RFD blocking technology. Now, as far as presentation, you've seen it. It's good, high-quality cardboard packaging, gorgeous color instruction guide, packaging very similar to the Ridge wallet, torque wrench, cash strap, and I will say one thing. They do have 14 replacement screws as opposed to the 4 or 5 that you get with the Ridge. Now, what is forged carbon? Forged carbon is a unique method of forging carbon onto a sheet, made famous by a collaboration of Lamborghini and the Callaway Golf Company. Now, Ridge took it a step further by embossing aluminum flakes into the composite, providing a unique look, and Rossm has done the same thing. This one is Rossm Forged Emerald or Ridge Forged Aurora. Now, I've got to be honest with you, I have several of these. And every one of these wallets that you buy of these forged carbon with the aluminum flakes are going to be different. No two are going to be the same. The concept is the same, but the finish is going to vary. I have two Ridge wallets, which I consider to be really good. I've got a forged Ember and a Forged Gold, which have a lot more aluminum flakes than does this Rossm. And this Rossm is about as devoid of aluminum flakes as is the Rossm Forged Ruby that I got. And I also have my everyday carry is a Ridge Forged Pacific, which is very similar to this. Now, guys, there's my Ridge Forged Pacific. And as you can see, it's real similar to the Rossm. It looks really, really unique. I mean, it's got that amazing forged carbon look on it, which it changes as you look at it, and it's got those aluminum flakes in there. Very, very unique, very, very sharp. Like I say, just like the Ridge. So what's my final verdict? Well, it looks just like the Ridge, feels like the Ridge. It is genuine carbon fiber on aluminum, and damn near as good as the Ridge product, although everything is an exact copy. I mean, guys, let's face it. Rossm is a Ridge clone company. As much as I like this wallet and I like the price, there's not a damn thing about it that's original or unique that they haven't copied directly from Ridge. I want to give Rossm a lot of credit for bringing a product that is damn near as good as the Ridge for a fraction of the price. But I can't give them anything for originality. It is a sandwich style rod. It is just like the Ridge. At $45, it's a third of the price of the Ridge at $150, even though I've got several Ridges, and I didn't pay $150 for any of them. In fact, less than $100 for all of them. Now, one thing I will say, I did take the Rossm Forged Ruby apart. These screws, although they look as nice and are literally as good as the Ridge, and that was one thing that I didn't expect. I expected the screws to be cheap as crap. They're not. They're just as nice. They are hard to take out and to replace. The other problem I have with the wallet, as I'm going to take the cash clip, as they call it, which I think looks really nice with the Rossm logo. I like that, by the way. I think it's a sharp-looking logo. I'm going to take that off and replace it with the cash strap because I just don't like this thing. I'm afraid that if I put this thing in with my cell phone, it's going to scratch the surface of it. So I will never actually use it. I will take it off. I will replace it with a cash strap. Oddly enough, if you want to put it back in the box, it doesn't fit anywhere in the box because it's just not made for it. This was made literally as a cash clip to be used with the option of replacing the cash strap. All of the Ridge wallets that I have, every single one of them except one, the cash strap came attached, and some do have the cash clip available. Some do not. So Rossm has really upped the game with Ridge. I think they forged Ridge to go with combinations of both the strap and the cash clip, and that's a good thing. And they provide a very, very good product. I did mention one of the other problems you have with it is there is no inner channel to place the cash strap on, which means when I put it on my Forged Ruby, I had to be very precise. In fact, I had to undo it the first time and reapply it the second time because I had missed centering it exactly. Now, I bought this product, as I've mentioned, for about $30, which I thought was a really good deal. On Rossm's website, it retails for $45. And the reason I bought it, as I've mentioned, is because finding the Ridge and Forged Aurora was almost impossible. Now, unfortunately, Rossm is also out of stock of this as of today. And I'm filming this on Thanksgiving Eve, which I guess is Thursday, the 27th, I think. I lose track of time, to be honest with you. But anyhow, it is currently out of stock if you're looking to get it. They do have the Forged Ruby and the Forged Pacific in stock, but they do not. And guys, I'll be honest with you, I consider this product to be, I would say, almost as good as the Ridge. And for the two things that I don't like about it, they are minor for the price that the Ridge. The Ridge is just a more complete, more well thought out product. I give Ridge credit because they invented this. They invented the sandwich type wallet. Their designs are ever changing, are ever clever. They have far more designs than does Rossm. But if you can't find the Ridge product that you would like, and I could not find the Ridge Forged Aurora, I think the Rossm is a damn good choice, every bit almost as good as the Ridge for a third the price. And guys, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, if you own one or both, and what your thoughts are. I'd appreciate it. See ya.